This is the new Estarli e20.7. We've been making this bike since 2020, but don't let its legacy make you think it's stuck in the past, because we've been continually evolving it to stay relevant and stay ahead of the game. So here's a little video to show you the latest features. There are 3 new colors: Bondi Blue, Pistachio and Sage Green here, our best-selling E20.8 and 20.9 color. The frame itself has been redesigned. First of all, it's sleeker, and in the most popular Pro setup, totals just 18.6 kilos fully loaded. That means with mudguards, rear rack, lights, pedals, and of course, seat post battery. Elsewhere on the frame, we've made a series of smaller upgrades, including matching mudguards on all colors, integrated lights and rear rack fixing points, plus more smooth welds. The biggest upgrade, though, is the gearing. The 20.7 now runs a Shimano Altus system instead of the Tawny one, making the drivetrain more robust and smoother. The cassette itself is now a free hub instead of a freewheel, which represents a nice drivetrain upgrade too. The E20.7's rear hub now integrates torque and cadence sensing. You get that familiar, effortless pedaling feel with instant torque assist on hills and starts, all in a simpler, more robust electrical system. The Estarli Cycle System's rear hub motor provides 42 Nm torque, which we've found is comparable to about 70 Nm for a mid-drive folder. This is because the power is delivered directly into the wheel in the rear hub motor, whereas mid-drives lose some power through the drivetrain. All 20.7s now run hydraulic disc brakes, so that's just another feature which adds real value for money. The display is also larger, brighter, and more intuitive. There's also a load of customizability. We build every bike to order at the factory in Berkhamsted, so we take the personalization really seriously. Customers can choose between standard bars and Dutch bars, the latter for a more upright, lean-back riding position. Seat post suspension, like this one here, is another new upgrade for those who want a bit more TLC for their backsides. Tire choice includes puncture protection options or gravel tan wall tires. The battery is 252 watt-hours, which we've found to be the perfect blend of range versus weight. For those that want extra capacity though, the range extender doubles that watt-hours, making it a 500 watt-hour bike. For those looking to commute on the bike, Estarli Cycle Security is a great peace of mind offering. The bike is fitted with a hidden tracker, and the subscription gives the customer recovery or replacement for their E20.7. So to find out more or book a test ride, simply visit the website.